If you've ever tried to lose belly fat and found yourself giving up after just a few weeks, you're definitely not alone. In fact, most people start out with high hopes and strong motivation, only to feel defeated when the results don't come as quickly as they like. Maybe this sounds familiar to you. Maybe you've stood in front of the mirror, feeling frustrated or disappointed, wondering why nothing seems to work no matter how hard you try. You might have tried all sorts of diets, signed up for gym memberships, or pushed yourself through endless crunches and workouts at home. You may have even bought special foods or supplements, hoping for a breakthrough. But after all that effort, it's easy to feel like you're spinning your wheels, seeing little or no change in your body or your energy. That feeling of frustration is completely understandable. But here's something important. It's not your fault. The truth is, the way most of us have been taught to approach weight loss is flawed from the start. You're not lacking willpower or discipline. You've just been given the wrong tools and advice. The fitness industry is built on selling confusion and quick fixes. Every day, we're bombarded with new diets, miracle supplements, and complicated workout routines that promise instant results. It's no wonder so many people feel lost and overwhelmed. These quick fixes might work for a week or two, but they rarely lead to lasting change. The good news is, you don't need fancy equipment, expensive gym memberships, or extreme diets to make real progress. In fact, the most effective changes are often the simplest ones. Small, consistent actions that fit into your real life. The real secret isn't about finding the next big thing, it's about embracing simplicity and focusing on building new, sustainable habits. When you shift your mindset from chasing quick results to making small, positive changes every day, everything starts to feel more manageable and more rewarding. That's why I've created a 7-day challenge you can do right at home. There's no need for special gear or complicated routines, just a willingness to show up for yourself each day. This challenge is designed to help you build momentum, boost your confidence, and prove to yourself that you're capable of real change. In just 1 week, you'll start to feel lighter, more energetic, and more in control of your health. You'll see that you don't have to be perfect to make progress. All it takes is a fresh start and a little commitment. So let's leave behind the old patterns and the self-doubt. Together, we can break free from the cycle of frustration and start building healthy habits that last. Are you ready to take the first step? Let's do this together. Belly fat isn't just about looks or confidence. The real danger is visceral fat, hidden deep around your organs. It increases your risk of diabetes, heart disease, and more, even if you look slim on the outside. Losing belly fat is about protecting your long-term health. Every healthy meal and workout is a win for your body. This challenge is self-care, not vanity. Let's do this for your health and your future. The world is set up to keep us unhealthy. Processed foods, sedentary lifestyles, and false promises everywhere. Food companies and fake experts profit from our struggles. When quick fixes fail, we blame ourselves, not the system. But you can break free. This 7-day challenge is your escape plan. Ditch the junk, ignore the fads, and move daily. You control what you eat and how you move. Create a healthy environment at home. This week, declare independence from a system that doesn't care about your health. Take back control. Starting now. Real change starts in your mind. Forget old stories like "I can't lose weight." This week your story is, "I am capable, I am committed." Make a real promise to yourself. Write it down, say it out loud, tell someone. Focus on progress, not perfection. If you slip up, just get back on track. Every choice is a new opportunity. Be kind to yourself, but stay focused. Know your why. Energy, confidence, health, family. Your why will keep you going when motivation dips. Connect emotionally to your goal. That's how you'll cross the finish line proud and strong. Here's your simple daily plan. No overthinking, just routine. This plan is designed to fit seamlessly into your life, no matter how busy your days get. Think of it as your personal roadmap for the week ahead, guiding you step by step toward feeling your best. Each part is straightforward, practical, and easy to follow, so you can focus on progress, not perfection. Start with hydration. Drink at least 2 liters of water daily. Keep a water bottle nearby and sip throughout the day. Hydration is key for energy, focus, and even curbing unnecessary cravings. If you find plain water boring, add a slice of lemon or a few mint leaves for a refreshing twist. Staying hydrated helps your body function at its best and supports every healthy habit you build. For breakfast, fuel up with protein-rich meals like eggs or Greek yogurt with berries. Protein in the morning helps keep you full, stabilizes your blood sugar, and gives you lasting energy. If you're in a rush, a quick smoothie with protein powder, spinach, and berries works too. The goal is to start your day with nutrients that support your body and mind. Lunch is all about big salads with lean protein and lots of veggies. Think grilled chicken, chickpeas, or tofu on a bed of greens, topped with colorful vegetables. Add a drizzle of olive oil and a squeeze of lemon for flavor. This meal keeps you satisfied, energized, and helps you avoid the afternoon slump. For dinner, focus on lean protein, green veggies, and a small portion of complex carbs like brown rice or sweet potato. This combination supports muscle recovery and keeps you feeling light before bed. Remember, dinner doesn't have to be fancy. Simple, wholesome ingredients are all you need. When you need a snack, reach for fruit, nuts, or veggies. Skip the processed stuff. Keep healthy snacks visible and ready to grab so you're less tempted by chips or sweets. These snacks provide steady energy and important nutrients, helping you stay on track between meals. In the morning, kickstart your day with a 15-minute HIIT workout to fire up your metabolism. You don't need fancy equipment, just your body and a little space. HIIT boosts your heart rate, burns calories, and sets a positive tone for the rest of your day. In the evening, wind down with a 5-minute core workout plus 5 minutes of stretching. This helps your body recover, improves flexibility, and relieves stress from the day. Even a short routine makes a big difference over time. Clean eating and consistent exercise are your foundation. When you combine nutritious meals with daily movement, you create a powerful routine that supports your goals. Remember, it's about building habits, not chasing quick fixes. No calorie counting, no complicated recipes. This plan is about simplicity and sustainability. Focus on whole foods, easy prep, and listening to your body's hunger cues. The less you stress, the more you'll enjoy the process. Just follow these steps every day for 7 days. Mark your progress on a calendar or leave reminders where you'll see them. Each day you complete brings you closer to your goals and builds your confidence. You'll be amazed at how quickly your body responds. Small, consistent changes add up fast, and you'll notice more energy, better mood, and real results by the end of the week. Wake up, do your HIIT, eat well, and finish with core and stretching. This rhythm creates a sense of accomplishment and sets you up for success day after day. It's manageable, even with a busy schedule. You've got this. Remember, every small step counts, and your commitment today is the start of a healthier, happier you. This plan works because it's rooted in science, not magic. Fat loss is about a calorie deficit, burning more than you eat. Our plan cuts calories naturally with whole foods and boosts metabolism with HIIT. Protein and fiber keep you full, so you eat less without feeling deprived. HIIT creates an after-burn effect, so you burn calories even after your workout. Daily consistency signals your body to burn fat. Core work tightens your midsection as fat melts away. Hydration and simple habits make all the difference. Excuses are the biggest barrier. I'm too busy. I'm too tired. I'll start Monday. This challenge smashes those excuses. You only need 25 minutes a day for exercise. Swap it for screen time. Movement creates energy. You'll feel more awake after your workout. Every exercise can be adapted for beginners. Just move your body. The food plan is simple. Real, whole foods. No chef skills required. Grill some chicken, steam some veggies. It's that easy. Forget the excuses. This plan fits any schedule or fitness level. Start today. No more waiting. Welcome to your daily home workout routine, designed for everyone, no matter your fitness level, and best of all, you don't need any equipment. Whether you're in your living room, bedroom, or even a small apartment, you can get started right where you are. This program is about making fitness accessible, simple, and effective, so you can build strength, burn calories, and boost your mood without stepping foot in a gym. Each day, you'll tackle a 15-minute HIIT session. That's 5 powerful exercises, performed for 40 seconds each, followed by a 20-second rest. You'll repeat this circuit 3 times. HIIT, or high-intensity interval training, is proven to maximize fat burn and improve cardiovascular health in a short amount of time. All you need is your body, a timer, and a little motivation. Let's break down the moves. First up, star jumps. This full-body exercise gets your heart pumping and wakes up every muscle. Jump your feet out wide, reach your arms overhead and land softly. It's a fantastic way to warm up and build explosive power. Next, high knees. Run in place, driving your knees up toward your chest as quickly as you can. Keep your core tight and pump your arms. This move not only boosts your heart rate, but also strengthens your hip flexors and core. Mountain climbers are up next. Get into a press-up position, then run your knees in toward your chest, alternating quickly. This exercise is a total body burner, working your shoulders, arms, core, and legs all at once. Focus on keeping your hips low and your movements controlled. Now, squats. Sit back as if you're lowering into a chair, and stand up tall. Squats are excellent for building strength in your legs and glutes, and they also help improve your balance and mobility. Remember to keep your chest up and your knees tracking over your toes. Burpees. Round out the HIIT circuit. Start in a squat, jump your feet back into a plank, then jump forward and explode up. If you need to, modify by stepping back instead of jumping. Burpees are challenging, but they're one of the best moves for building endurance and burning calories fast. After HIIT, it's time for a 5-minute core blast. You'll cycle through plank, leg raises, bicycle crunches, and flutter kicks. 45 seconds of work, 15 seconds of rest, for each. These moves target every part of your core, helping you build a strong, stable midsection. Start with the plank. Hold a straight line from head to heels, keeping your abs tight and your glutes engaged. Don't let your hips sag or pike up. Focus on perfect form for maximum benefit. Next, leg raises. Lie on your back, lift your legs up toward the ceiling, then lower them slowly without letting them touch the floor. This move strengthens your lower abs and helps improve hip flexibility. Bicycle crunches are up next. Twist your torso and cycle your legs as if you're pedaling a bike. This exercise works your obliques and helps define your waistline. Finish the core set with flutter kicks. Keep your legs straight and elevated, making small, quick kicks. This move is great for your lower abs and hip flexors, and it also challenges your endurance. Don't forget to cool down. Spend 5 minutes stretching. Focus on your hamstrings, quads, and shoulders. Stretching helps your muscles recover, reduces soreness, and keeps you flexible for your next workout. These simple moves, done consistently, are all you need to start transforming your body and mind. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and remember that every workout brings you closer to your goals. Keep it simple, stay consistent, and enjoy the journey. Your fitness transformation starts today. 1 rep, 1 set, 1 day at a time. You have the plan, the knowledge, and the motivation. Start now. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Clear out junk food, stock up on healthy options, and prep for success. Write your meal plan, lay out your workout clothes, and remove barriers. Track your progress. Photos, how your clothes fit, energy, mood. Share your commitment with a friend or get them to join you. This 7-day challenge is just the beginning. It's your catalyst for lasting change. You can do anything for 7 days. Give it your all. Let's do this together.